Hey guys, thanks for dropping by. I just want to show you this product in person in case you're interested in buying it yourself later. This is a 12 outlet heavy duty power strip. It has a built-in surge protector with a 6 feet cord. I got this power strip for a new gaming table that I just got. I noticed I was constantly crawling underneath my table to plug in devices, and because I had so many devices on my desk, I was using multiple power strips. To declutter the space underneath my desk, I got this long power strip. It has a nice metal case with a total of 12 outlets. It also comes with these 4 mounting screws. The power cord is 16 feet in length and is made of 14 gauge copper wire. The power strip also has a 15 amp overload protection with a 2100 Joules surge protector. For proper grounding, this power strip does require a 3-prong outlet. The length of the power strip is about 25 inches with a thickness of about 1.5 inches. The spacing between each socket is about 1.7 inches. For easier visibility at nights, each outlet has a bright yellow cover. It also has a rocket switch that would turn on and off all the switches at once. There's a built-in LED light that would turn red when the switch is turned on. There's also this little green light here that lets you know when the surge protection is activated. For peace of mind, this product does have an 18-month warranty. It is UL certified. The metal casing is made of aluminum and is extremely durable. It has a matte black finish that is scratch resistant. It is designed for indoor use only and shouldn't be used with generators or power inverters. This is a great heavy duty 12 outlet power strip for everyday use.